We're going to do a quick review of adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. So for our first example, we will look at adding two polynomials. We're going to add 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus negative 3x cubed plus 2x minus 4. So we're going to look for like terms. So I have 4x cubed and negative 3x cubed. Those combine to form x cubed or 1x cubed. Then I have negative 3x squared. And I don't have any other x squares. That's my only x squared term. So now it stays negative 3x squared. I have 2x. I have another 2x. Those combine to form 4x. And for constants, I have 1 and negative 4. Those combine to form negative 3. So my sum is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 3. Now let's look at an example where we are subtracting. So here I have negative x squared minus 12x minus 29 minus 5x cubed plus 4x minus 7x squared plus 6. Now notice the second term is not in standard form, and that's okay. We can either put it in standard form, or I can wait and have my answer in standard form. I'm going to do the latter. I'm going to just simplify and put my final answer in standard form. So for problems like this, I prefer to distribute the negative to the term that follows the minus. So the first term stays the same. I still have negative x squared minus 12x minus 29. And then I'm going to distribute the negative to the second term. So negative 1 times 5x cubed is negative 5x cubed. Negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x. Negative 1 times negative 7x squared is positive 7x squared. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. This is because subtraction is like adding the opposite. Now let's combine our like terms, and I'm going to do this by looking for my highest degree term first, and then I will automatically be putting this difference in standard form. So if I'm looking for x cubed terms, I only have one, so I have negative 5x cubed. Let's look for x squared terms. I have negative x squared. I have positive 7x squared. Those combine to form positive 6x squared. I have negative 12x, negative 4x. Those combine to form negative 16x. And for constants, I have negative 29 and negative 6. Those combine to form negative 35. So here my difference is negative 5x cubed plus 6x squared minus 16x minus 35. Let's look at one more example, one where we are multiplying. Here we're going to multiply x plus 4 times 2x squared minus x plus 8. So when we are multiplying, we are going to distribute. So I'm going to multiply the x times 2x squared, and I'll get 2x cubed. X times negative x squared. X times 8, positive 8x. Now I'll move over to the 4 and distribute that. 4 times 2x squared is 8x squared. 4 times negative x is negative 4x. And 4 times 8 is positive 32. And now we'll combine like terms. So I only have one x cubed term, so I have 2x cubed. So for x squared terms, I have negative x squared. I have positive 8x squared. Those combine to form 7x squared. I have 8x. I have negative 4x. Those combine to form positive 4x. And I only have one constant, so I have plus 32. So here my product is 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 4x plus 32.